Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song It's Always Been You by Phil Wickham. As usual, I'll play the song for you right now, and then after I play it, I'll explain it and break it down for you in more detail. Make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
You saw me first, you let me in when I was at my worst. The moment when I heard you say my name was the first time in so long. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. You are the voice that calms the storm inside me, castle walls that stand around me. All this time my guardian, it was you. You are the light that shines in every tunnel. There in the past, you'll be there tomorrow. All my life your love was breaking through. It's always been you. It's always been you. My northern star, your love will be the compass of my heart. Oh, I just wanna be right where you are, right where you are. You are the voice that calms the storm inside me, castle walls that stand around me. All this time I got, and it was you. You are the light that shines in every tunnel. There in the past, you'll be there tomorrow. All my life your love was breaking through. It's always been you. It's always been you. It's always been you. It's always been you. Who stood with me in the fire? It was you. It was always you. Who walks with me through the water? It was you. It was always you. Who carried me on their shoulders? It was you. It was always you. You are the voice that calms the storm inside me, castle walls that stand around me. All this time I got you, it was you. You are the light that shines in every tunnel. There in the past, you'll be there tomorrow. All my life your love is breaking through.
So this is a very nice, simple song to play. We're only going to be using 4 chords for the whole song, 4 chords from the C chord family. So we have the C chord, then we have a G chord, then an A minor 7, and then an F over C. I'm using this F over C to replace the traditional way to play an F, which requires you to bar strings with one finger. So this F over C is much easier to play, and it fits nicely in the C chord family. And pretty much for this whole song, we're going to be playing that same progression, which is C, G, A minor, F. That's like the whole song except for the bridge. When we get to the bridge, we're going to be playing the same 4 chords but in a different order. So for the bridge, we're going to have G, and then A minor 7, and then the F over C, and then the C. Okay, so same 4 chords, we're just switching up the order of them just for that bridge. Everything else for the song is that same chord progression, so it makes it nice and easy. It's it's not very much to think about in terms of progression. Now you'll want to keep in mind that for the C chord, the A minor chord, and the F over C chord for this song, we want to avoid strumming the low E string. So you can just use your thumb to touch that and mute it so it doesn't resonate while you strum. The only chord that we actually want to hear the E string is going to be the G chord. All the other ones, we want to avoid that low E string. For strum patterns, we can use the driving pattern for this song, which is a very simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums, and then we're going to add in an up strum after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat. We also want to put emphasis on beat 1 and 3, so every other beat we want to strum harder. So I'm just going to hold the root note of this song, which is going to be C, and I'm going to play that strum pattern slowly for you and count out the beats so you can hear what it should sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.